Hello everyone. Yesterday I came across a Twitter post stating how and you can be able to build your own 2D games using Grok AI. So if you can see over here, this man by the name Min Choi stated over here that he was able to create a Pac-Man game using p5.js. So you can see how the game is looking beautiful over here. So I've decided to recreate this game using Grok AI, Grok-3 AI, I mean to say. So you can see the game over here. This is the I gave the instruction or prompt to Grok to create Pac-Man game for me over here. So you can see this is the game and it's looking awesome. So and you can simply this is just simply JS and then HTML game, and you can see when I collide with the enemies the game makes sounds, and likewise it reduces the life. So looking at the interface over here, we have the score, we have the lives, and anytime I collide with the enemy, the life will be deducted by 1, and the game and if the life is exhausted down to 0, the game will be restarted. So you can see how beautiful it is looking. This is completely done using Grok AI. So if you want to see the prompt and how I was able to actually create this Pac-Man game using Grok-3 AI, please stay tuned till the end of this video. I got reason if they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gone. First of all, just visit x.ai, and from there you can be able to see Grok AI. So go ahead and click on try it now, and it will redirect you to Grok AI interface. Over here you can choose to install it if you are using a browser, or you can choose to actually type your commands over here. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and paste this prompt over here. So the prompt reads: create a Pac-Man game using JavaScript with improved graphics, collision detection with words, animated collectible dot, a score display, sound effect, and ghost. Pac-Man should be controlled with arrow keys. Enemies or ghosts should move to the direction of Pac-Man to attack when it is close to them. The Pac-Man should have lives of 5, and anytime it collides with an enemy, a life should be deducted and the game continues. When life is less than or equal to 0, the game restarts. The game should play a sound for 3 seconds before restarting after collision. If the Pac-Man hits all collectible dots, play a winning sound with confetti for 5 seconds before restarting. So this is the prompt over here that you're going to pass to Grok. So let's go ahead and hit enter and see what will happen. You can see the solution that is implemented by Grok AI, and you can test this locally, or you can use an online web editor like p5.js to test it. So let's visit p5.js and an online web editor and test our code. So first of all, click on start coding, and you will see this blank canvas for us here. So we are going to go ahead and copy the JS code and drop it here. If you click on this arrow, it will expand and show you the file. So we have the HTML, the CSS, and the JS files. So in the JS file, we are going to copy the JS part of this our game over here, all the code inside the script, and pass it and paste it in our JS file, and copy the code in our HTML and paste in the HTML part. So let's do that. First of all, inside the style, let's go ahead and highlight this and copy it down to our HTML part. So we drop it inside the head over here. So this is the style. We are going to paste the style over here. Then we copy the HTML. So we go back over here, highlight the HTML over here and copy it to our PS5. So over here, paste the HTML part. So and the JS part, you can see this file scale.js is included in this page. So we're going to go ahead over here and remove everything here for now. Copy the JS part down, starting from everything inside the script down to this point. Paste your code over here, the JS part of it down there, and go ahead and click on play. So you can see our game over here, and you can see when an enemy collides with Pac-Man, it makes a sound over here. So you can actually use your arrow keys to control the Pac-Man to move it down, move it up, or move it left or right. And you can see I'm collecting as I'm moving the Pac-Man. When I get close to an enemy, I'm being attacked. And if you see at the top over here, anytime I collect a collectible, you can see my score will increase. And anytime I collide with an enemy, or the Pac-Man collide with an enemy, my life is deducted. So you can move it down using your arrow keys. So go ahead and try building this on your own and let me know what you think in the description. So you can also, if the game has been implemented, you can also be able to ask Grok AI to adjust on certain aspects. If for instance maybe you don't like the graphic, you can say modify the graphics or make it look beautiful. You can go ahead and add any command, and this Grok AI will modify your code over here and come up with something. So you can use it to build different kind of games, and I saw this, it was quite awesome, so I decided to try it out. Try it out and tell me what you think in the comment section. Please like and comment on this video so that other people will get to see it just like you. Another thing is, after you are done with this code, you can actually be able to host your code online so that other users can be able to play as well. So if you click on, you can copy the code over here. Once you copy the code, go ahead and open this over here and visit Replete. There is another website for hosting static sites known as Replete. So type this Replete in the browser and hit enter. So, and you can see Replete build apps and site with Replete. Just go ahead and visit it. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create an account. But you can see that I already have an account and I've hosted my own game over here. You can see it. This is the game that I've hosted. If you have not hosted your own, you can go ahead and click on create app and then give your app name, choose a template. Maybe if you click on create app, it will take you to this interface. From there you can choose this tab known as choose a template and select your favorite template. So in this case we are using HTML, CSS and JS. So you select that one and you can give your app a title and go ahead and click on what create. You can choose whether the app should be public, anyone can view it, or it should be private, only you. And you can click on what create to create the app. But in this case I've already hosted the version of this app, so I don't need to go ahead and then host it again. I can just visit my apps, and then from here I can be able to see the URL to my app. So if you wait for it to load and you click on this at the top over here, once you click on this you see the URL. Go ahead and click on it to open it in another tab, and you can be able to play your game, or you can share this link with your friends and they will be able to play the game. So by the time you play this game, if you are able to collect all the collectibles at the end, the game should be able to show you a confetti. So go ahead, I'm going to provide a link to this game. I'm going to provide a link to this game in the description over there for you to try it out, try to play the game, share it with your friends. So go ahead and let me know what you think in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notification for more awesome videos like this on how to use AI for your daily activities. In order to create this game, you don't need to be tech savvy, you don't need to have knowledge of programming, but just go ahead and provide the instruction or prompt to Grok AI and it will tell you exactly what to do, or it can build anything for you. So thank you and see you guys in the next video.
Better see with the negativity, but I just slide right by